see the our in this lecture we see the our first Java program, that is a hello world. How to in the before we starting our program, first we see the how to create packages, class, and how the structure of the maintain our structure, project structure, how to create first project. So let's start. First of all, we need to create the project. We need to first create a project. After we creating the package for that, and package we have written one of the create one our class, and we write our program. In this first we see the go to the in the file program and right click and then new go to the we go to the project. Maybe project, no, there is a project. Hmm. Project, and we have uh, create project. Which project we have create? um, Java project. Next, wait, we give the project name, or anyone you required, you give the name. What is the project name? Project 1, we give the name project 1. Then next, go to the next, and finish. Opens perspective required you pay any, the otherwise no. See, this is our project is created. This is our project file. This file it contains JRE. JRE means JRE means Java runtime environment. It's provide the library for you open. You see the libraries for required. It automatically Java provide. JRE provide. Next we go to the SRC folder. In this SRC we need to create package. This also default package. We create the package folder first. Right click on SRC, new, and package. There is a package. We need to give the name of that package. We give the name our package, that is Ankit. Ankit. And then give it to the finish. Hmm? uh, After the giving the name of the package, we go to the right click on that package and you create a new and our class. This is our class name. There you see there is a package name. Next is the name of that class we required. uh, for our first Java program, we give the project, give the class name, that is a I give the name as a animal. uh, and finish. That is our class name is animal. See, what is public, what is class, and what is animal, we see one by one. Public means what? Public is the access modifier. Public means anyone can access, anywhere we can access this class. Next is this is the class, it is a name, class. Name is an animal, animal is a class name, and class we required to define the class. This is a two parentheses. In this class we define a main method. What is the main method? Public, public, public static void main. Yeah, main string, a or j or then enter. This is our main method. Main method also contains with public static void main and string arg. Public access modifier, static is a one keyword, void is a return type. Main, it is a main name of this method. String, string of array of string, and this is a arguments, and it is a parenthesis. Inside this main method we write our program. First program, hello world program. How to print, how the print we have anyone inside the Java. So we have one Java provide the statement. That statement is system system dot out dot print ln, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, one mistake is here. And give the parenthesis one, hello world, hello world. Hmm? This is our first program. आता next we have run this program. We run. First of all, we have save this program. Save as right click and save. Save. I should directly save. Control S. And then go to the right click, run Java application, and we see our output. What is the output? Hello world. Hello world is our output. This is our, in this lecture we see the our first Java program. Hmm. Anyone understand this program? Anyone? All student here, see, this is our first program. This is our first program. We see the, so guys, all student understand this program. This is our first program. We give the in our YouTube channel one by one videos related to the Java programming. This is our starting. In this video we see the first our Java program. So next video we the next concept, and one by one we take Java program. Yeah. So anyone interested or for the learning Java or new concept, you comment on that description box. You comment on chat box related you understand that concept. You also um, comment in the comment box related you want which concept, you also comment in the comment box. Thank you guys.